yeah, my first makeup tutorial. So give me some time. Anyways, tutorial. Put it in.
Oh, SHEIN Lashes.
Welcome. Well, not welcome, but hey, what's up again? Because I wasn't even here. So I know I've been gone, you know, like always. I always leave for like a good months. Because honestly, I don't have any talents, any tips or tricks or anything that I could share with the world. So today I decided to do this video because sorry if you hear background noise. I live in a Hispanic household and there's no quiet at any time of the day. Okay, so sorry about the noise. Ignore the conversations, the yelling, everything. So I decided to make this video because I get a lot of compliments on my eyelashes. Sometimes I don't always do them, but when I do them I get compliments on them because like they look fairly natural, you know. I'm not that type of girl to like do the big lashes. One, because glasses, and two, because my eyes are small. So I feel like if I did big lashes I would have no eyes. You know, I'm pretty basic, do little lashes, but I found this hack, trick, tip, savings method that is helping my life, and it makes it so much easier, although it might be a bit hard for some people. But I decided to share it so you guys could try it out yourselves and save yourself money. So as you know, if you know, or as you know, most people know, there's like this app website called SHEIN. I don't know how to say it. SHEIN, I'll put it like right there, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so they sell clothes, all that home stuff. This is not a promo video, so I'm not gonna promote them unless they pay me. SHEIN, if you see this, I'm a big fan. I've been shopping there a lot, like a lot. And my best friend, she started to get lashes from there, and I was like, she was like, they're just $5, and I was like, lady, what? So I was like, let me hop on that. So I went, I was like, lashes, and I saw, right, a pack. I'll probably put a screenshot, I don't know, screenshot. So I saw a pack of 10 lashes, like good quality lashes. I saw a pack and I was like, for $5. So at first I was a bit scared because, like I said, I usually wear like wispies. The box is all beat up. I usually wear these because they're like very like small, but they're long, you know what I mean? Like not dramatic, but they're long. Like I like it like that. So I was like, I'm scared because last time I bought lashes online, it was a fail. Like it was big ass lashes. So yeah, so I was a bit scared. So I decided to go for like the one that looked more natural, and I ended up getting this pack. Look at this. I don't know, it's like the third little dot, so I'll link it down below. I had this whole box for like 2 months, I think, and I've only used 2 pairs. So a pack of 10 serves for technically 20 uses using my method, right? So my little method, I guess you guys will see the tutorial. Should I explain it? Just look at the tutorial. Okay, boom. I start off by curling my eyelashes. I like press them a few times. I don't know how many times I did. It was supposed to be 10, but I don't know. Count it, I guess. They look kind of weird. Don't know why. And I did the same on the other eye, and this one I actually did 10, I think. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 11. Okay. Was that 12? I don't know. Anyways, I use this mascara. My mom got it from CVS. I took it from her. It's waterproof. It's Maybelline pumped up. Yeah, it's pretty good. Thing about the mascara is like I try to have it kind of like, you know, dried out. You know what I mean? Like when mascara is brand new, I don't feel like it works the same. So kind of like dried out. I don't know how to get it like that. I guess just like let time pass. you gotta use the good one in the beginning, but then once it's kind of dried out, I feel like that's the best. There was a clump. I don't know. Then, do I go to the other? Oh no, same eye. I OD on mascara, so let me speed it up. And now we're doing the other eye. Same process, yeah. I don't know if I said this before, but like you see how I like don't use the brush a lot. It's mostly like me blinking on the brush. Like as you could see, I like close my eyes on the brush. I feel like that's the best way to apply mascara. So if you don't do that already, you should try it. It helps a lot. Anyways, I'll be quiet again. And once again, more mascara like when it's dry already because I like them to look full. And here are the beautiful lashes that we're using today. They look so nice. I don't know, like I'm in love. So here I take it, right? And it's just like the full lash. Take it out the box. And look, I'm just like showing how pretty it is. It's so pretty, like ah. Anyways, yeah, I just cut it. Like boom, like that. Cut. Cut it. Cut it. Cut. Okay, I cut it. And then here's me showing you how 2 halves make a whole. Just in case you didn't learn that in like math. Yeah. Scholar. Another look at how I cut it. So that's the whole, right? And then that's how I cut it. Then now I think I'm gonna say the inner part, I use it when I want it to look more natural since it's like shorter a little bit, so they blend better. And then the outer part, I use it when I want it to be like, you know, more pronounced. I don't know why I'm saying no. I don't know. Don't remember. They're pretty though. Another angle, I guess. I don't know. They just look really pretty. Chef's kiss. Okay, oh, that's the glue I use. Yes, you could get this for like $3 at the beauty supply or anywhere pretty much. I don't know. I think it's the kiss or something. And then okay, look at this. I put the glue on top. So once again, I put the glue on top, not under, because the lashes will go under my lashes. Here's my mom in the back. As you could tell, she came in being an intruder. But yeah, you see, like I put it under. I kind of got the hang of it. I use tweezers just to like kind of show how you could do it with tweezers, but I usually use my fingers. As you can see now, I'm like fixing it with my fingers because tweezers are just like when you're not comfortable, I guess, using your fingers. But yeah, and then you press it kind of down. Try to get it like closest to the lash line as you could. If you guys don't know how to put lashes underneath, watch like a video, like a tutorial or something, cause yeah, it's pretty easy. Then I do the same with the other eye. Oh yeah, make sure to let it dry a little bit. You don't want to put like glue on your eye. Yeah, I realized I was balding. I don't know, early balding, I guess I said. Yeah, I'm going bald, guys. Yeah, boom, that's both lashes. They look so pretty. I like squeeze my lashes and the lashes together, so you know. And then that's me showing you how like it looks so nice from the top, since it's underneath. Yeah, I don't know what I'm trying to do. Boom, me posing. I guess that's it. Okay, bye. That was the tutorial. I hope it was easy to understand. But yeah, that's my hack. Pretty much, you get 20 lashes technically. 20 lashes out of $5. And I feel like that's like the holy grail of saving and wanting to have lashes. Not counting like the mascara, obviously. I don't know how much this was. I took this from my mom. So I don't know how much it was, honestly, and not counting the glue and stuff, but I mean like just the lashes themselves. I know they could be kind of expensive. Like when I was trying to be bougie and buy cute lashes and stuff, like one pair was like $10, and I was like, hell no, like I could get 5 pairs for $10 at Walmart, and now I could get 20 pairs technically if you use this, or 10 pairs for $5 in SHEIN. I hope that helped, you know. I know like a lot of people, not a lot of people, like 2 girls, 3 probably, like on my Instagram and Snap, wanted to know how I know a few girls on my Instagram and Snap, like 3, I know a few girls on my Instagram and Snap wanted to know how I do like my lashes, because honestly, like they look, sometimes they might look like extensions, you know, it depends on the day. Today I feel like, you know, they look decent, you know, decent. Thank you for watching, and honestly I don't know if I'm gonna get back on the YouTube grind. I always say this, I'm gonna stop lying to y'all, I always say this in every video. I'm gonna start grinding again, I'm gonna start uploading, and I just need to stop lying, because I'll make one video and then I'm just like, what next? Like I can't teach people anything, I just talk and I'm not even funny. So it's kind of like, you know, I don't want to just make pointless videos and get like 2 views. But hopefully this hack helped some people, my peoples out there that want to have amazing lashes but still look kind of like not too, you know, and save money. You could do this. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you want. I don't know, I'll upload like in a month, 2 months. Make no promises, honestly. I make no promises, because like, yeah, let me stop giving excuses. Bye. Enjoy y'all's day. Thank you for watching. My queen, save some money. Was that supposed to be an outro? Bye.